my man, my woman, my parents, my siblings, my children, my in-laws, my great grandfather, all in this video. We are going to discuss each and every member of the family in this one video, so stay tuned. Los geht's. Let's start. We'll start with the parents. They are called die Eltern. Die Eltern. We have three articles here. We have the female article, the male, and the neuter. So if the person is a man or a boy, uncles, all they fall under men. We use a der article, okay? Der for men. Then the rest are women. As you all know, we have two genders, men and women. The other gender is not really much discussed, so we'll just focus on der and die. So if you know a person is a male gender, that's a der, and if it's our female gender, that's a die. Let's start straight away with the parents, and if they are plural, we use a die. D. This is all for plurals. Haya, let's start. Father is called Vater. Mother is called Mutter. Mother and father, they make Eltern, the Eltern. Next, Kinder. Kinder are children. Kind, child, one child. Kinder and kind. We have Bruder, that's the brother. We have Schwester, sister. Plural, Schwestern. Plural of brother, Bruder with now an umlaut. Yeah. These are the siblings. Siblings are called Geschwister. Die Geschwister. Let's proceed to the extended family now. We have uncle, uncle. Tante, that's an aunt. Neffe, nephew. Nichte, niece. Cousin. These are cousin and cousin. We have cousin with an E, those are female cousins, and cousin without E, these are male cousins. If you have twins, twins are called Zwillings. Bruder, my twin brother. Zwillingsschwester, my twin sister. Next we have Sohn is son. Tochter is daughter. Boy is called Junge is a boy, and a girl is called Mädchen, a girl. My man, those people who always say my man, yeah. Man is called man with a double N. Woman is Frau. Man und Frau. Husband, in German we don't have something like husband. It is called Partner if it's a man, but if it's a wife we called partnerin. Not husband and wife. Husband, partner. Wife, partnerin. Those people who are dating, yeah, you have a boyfriend, yeah. Boyfriend is called Freund, and girlfriend, Freundin. Now let's proceed to step family. Stepfather is called Stiefvater. Step means stief. So you'll just replace with the person. So if it's a father, you say Stiefvater. Stepmother, Stiefmutter. Stiefbruder, stepbrother. Stiefschwester. If there are many, Stiefschwestern, stepsisters. We have foster father, Pflegevater, Pflegevater. If you have a foster family, Pflegefamily, Pflegefamily. Stiefgeschwister, Stiefgeschwister. Step siblings, step siblings. Verwandter, these are relative now. A relative is called Verwandter. We also have a group of family called the great, those people who are very elderly in the family. Remember, the family first is called die Familie, Meine Familie, Meine Familie. So let's proceed. Great people. If you have grandparents, they are called Großeltern, Großeltern. Grandfather is called Opa, grandfather, Opa, or Großvater, Großvater. Grandmother is called Oma, or Großmutter, Großmutter. Next is uncle. Uncle is a grandson. Uncle, a grandson. We also have uncle. This is a granddaughter, uncle. We also have those people who have tall relatives who are in good positions. We normally call them the godfathers, yeah? Who are in good positions. Maybe they are working in a very big company and they can give you a connection so that you just go and get employed right away without following any procedure. Well, they are called godfather, but in Dutch they are called Pater. Pater is a godfather. Godmother is a patin. Next, let's learn now the in-laws. Yeah. Maybe you've just got married to a certain family and now you are trying to integrate to that family and getting to know each other. Mostly you will find very nice in-laws, but some families I don't wanna say that. Yeah, you can comment in the comment sections. Yeah, now let's learn about the in-laws in Dutch. The word in-law in Dutch means our first in-law here is father-in-law. Father-in-law is called Schwiegervater. Father-in-law. Then we have mother-in-law. Mostly these ones are very sweet. Schwiegermutter, mother-in-law. Then we have brother-in-law, the brother to your husband. The brother to your husband is called Schwager, brother to your husband. Then we also have a sister-in-law. Sister-in-law is the sister to your husband. Yeah, they are called Schwägerin. Now, Schwägerin with an A umlaut. Are you seeing? A umlaut. But brother-in-law, Schwager, they doesn't have A umlaut. So we have a young boy and a young girl. Boy is called Junge and girl is called Mädchen. Okay? As simple as that, guys. Nothing more, nothing less. Yeah? It's as simple as ABCD. We have Vater, Mother, Onkel, Tante, Neffe, Nichte, cousin, all those. Yeah. Anyway, that is it for today. Oh, I was almost forgetting. Male and female. Male is männlich, female is weiblich. Männlich, weiblich, male and female. Anyway, guys, if you have watched this video up to this point, thank you so much. Vielen Dank. Please remember to like it, subscribe, comment, share, and if you have any question, you want any video, you want I do a video on any topic, please feel free to write the topic on the comment section, and I'm definitely going to do it. And I can assure you that learning German is one of the biggest steps you have done. Remember, I am teaching you from a reliable source. I'm a former student from Goethe Institute, and whatever I'm teaching you guys, if you go to do your exam, nothing you will fail. I have summarized everything in just a 10-minute video. Otherwise, thank you, and auf Wiedersehen. Bis morgen. Tschüss.